Hello again. Today I have a 2018 Hyundai Sonata. I want to show you the location and how to replace the fuel tank pressure sensor. I tried to find it online and it was hard for me. Then I pull it on all data and I find the sensor is in the very rare top of the fuel tank, and this side on the driver's side by this rear wheel and by the hose, fuel hose. You go up, let me go up and see if I can get it. I don't know if I can get a good. Well, it's very hard to get in there, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, right there. Yes, you see that? I disconnected. So this is the sensor. Basically, it's like pushed down in between like two clips. So you just need to wiggle it and pull it up. So what you need to do is to remove this bottom cover, one here and one there. It's all around 10mm bolts, and that's 14mm clip. You just lose it, drop it. You don't even need a supporter or anything. I just put this just in case. It's my first time to do it. The better is if you have a less fuel in the tank. And like you see, the cat is supporting, the exhaust is supporting the the manifold, whatever is supported the fuel tank. So you don't need any support or anything. This is a 14mm, a knot, one here and one there. You lose them all, and if you want, you can just lose this seal for 7mm or whatever screwdriver. If you want to lose it a little bit, so you can stick your hand over here. You just need to disconnect this plug. Just push in and pull it out. And then if you go up there, just stick your hand here or there, however you like. You can use a screwdriver or something to open. Sorry guys, I cannot go in with the camera. Let me see. I can't. So whatever. I mean, some people like to take all this down, like deassemble everything, but you don't have to. See a here. So there is two clips around the edge like this. You just need to push it up from here, push it up like that, wiggle or something, and just pull it up. This is the sensor I got. This is not, I don't know if this is the manufacturer part number here. I'll check online and I'll list it. Okay. This is Vemo. This is the button number for Vemo. And I think the bottom one, the bottom button number is the manufacturer button number. Anyway, I will list the link below for the fuel tank pressure sensor. And that'd be it. If you guys have any questions, just comment below. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.